Currently 5:45 and we are going to the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail. I wanted to catch sunrise and I think we still will, but the sun is already kind of rising already right now. But it'll still be so beautiful. I'm so excited. We're quite exhausted. Oh my gosh, I didn't even vlog us yesterday after our photo shoot. So after the photo shoot, Junior and I went to go get some pho. It was really good. I mean, I really liked it. We got a bunny, some spring rolls. Their drinks were so good. So yeah, all of that was really good. We came home and then we knocked out. It was quite a long day. And yeah, today we're doing the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail. I think that's kind of all we have so far.
That's it.
We don't have anything, like we don't have any concrete plans. So we're just gonna see where today takes us. And yeah, oh my gosh, this view is insane. Can you guys see? Ugh, I wish the camera was picking up. Ah, there we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow, this drive is so much different than yesterday's drive.
Oh yeah,
oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know where to film. Everything is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, it's been a minute since I vlogged. After the hike, Junior and I went to Lilia Bakery to have breakfast. We went straight back to the Airbnb to just rest because, believe it or not, we did 10,000 steps in like 2 hours. So we were pretty exhausted. And then after that, we just walked the strip, did some souvenir shopping. I finally went to the Miffy store. I'll show you guys a haul later because I spent a good amount of money there and I am very happy about it. Junior even convinced me to buy a couple more things too. So love that for me. But yeah, now we're just kind of driving around. We have about like 10-15 minutes before we can go back and park in our parking lot. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the view, and I'm so, like, you guys, look at this. This is crazy. Like, the beach is literally right there. This is Waikiki Beach. It's not as packed today. I mean, it's pretty packed actually. There's a good amount of people. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. Everybody looks so nice. I love it. But yeah, we don't have plans. There's like the free Friday night fireworks show that I kind of want to see. So we're probably gonna go and find a spot by the beach area that you can go and rest at. Probably dip in the ocean for a little bit, and then that's about it. We might get some Jollibee. You know, because we're good Jollibee fans. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys later. Today is Sunday. We knocked out last night after we went to like all the farmers market and everything like that. I think the time change and just the fact that we've been waking up so early and like doing so much finally caught up to us. So we took a really long nap, and I think we got up at like, I got up at like 10:30-ish, and my body was just so sore. So I took a bath, and then Junior woke up, and then we got like late night dinner, and then we just knocked out again. So that was our Saturday, which was fine. I honestly didn't have much going on that I planned and everything like that too. Today is a very exciting day. We are going snorkeling. I'm so excited. Hence the change. I'm wearing contacts. This is the first time in a long time. I think I wore contacts once when I was like a young teenager, but I just was never interested in getting them back. But I decided, since I'm going to be snorkeling and doing like more activities today and tomorrow, that getting contacts would be a great idea. So I wore them a little bit yesterday just to get used to it, and then I've been wearing them, like I wore them last week for a few hours just to get used to it too. So my eyes are finally adjusting, which is a good thing. So yeah, it's currently, I want to say it's currently like 7:30. So I just was tidying up a little bit because the place was a mess. I'm going to switch cameras. We bought my grandma's GoPro so that we can hop in the water and record everything in the water. So hopefully we get some nice shots in there. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm nervous. I've never snorkeled. I've never gone snorkeling before, but I'm so excited. I'm a little nervous, but I think we'll be okay. A lot of people say, the company that we booked with, a lot of people say they've never snorkeled before, and the folks were great with them, just like teaching them and guiding them and everything like that. So I'm really excited. So let's go.
go. Good job, baby.